Hello guys, try po natin itong nakikita ko po sa TikTok na trending, pati po sa YouTube. So, magta-try po tayo ngayong araw na ito. Ito po yung Keraban na galing po ng Pinas. So, una po, hugasan po natin ang buhok ni client. So, pagkatapos nating hugasan, i-apply po natin mamaya. So, before that, titignan po natin ng mga benefits po ng gamot na ito. So, mas maganda daw po ito kesa sa Reban. So, titignan po natin yung resulta kasi pwede po ito sa mga kulay, sa bleach, pero i-adjust lang po natin yung plancha po natin. So, wait po natin hanggang sa matapos po si client. And then, titignan po natin kasi ang buhok po ni client is masyado na po siyang brittle. So, titignan po natin kung magiging effective nga ba ang gamot na ito. So, panoorin nyo po mga kalalabs hanggang sa dulo. So, yan guys, tapos na natin hinugasan si client. So, patutuyuin po natin ng 80% bago po natin i-apply ang gamot sa kanya. So, tignan nyo naman po yung kanyang buhok. Isa talaga pong mahirap na po siyang suklayin. Tsaka buhag-hag po siya. So, i-transfer natin yung gamot sa maliit na mixing bowl para madali po siyang i-apply sa buhok na Madam Kaya. Babae na bitinda sa set natin. This one. Sarah, man, you already this one?
Yeah. But how
the benefits? Like protein also.
Yeah, but this one damage here for good, no?
Yeah, you'll see.
Why not show that one, Erika?
Which one?
This one. Erika, you can read out.
Yeah. You will let her for it. I think I will. You have, because you don't trust, no?
Wali, if he not trust after he wants to change, I will not have hair boycott. If he wants. Okay, Erika? There, too much. Now he's showing, see, for my face also, I tell that one hormone problem. Even you.
Yeah, whatever you put on your face.
Yeah, modify.
Modify that. At least your face shiny.
Because why that one?
So, dry na po yung buhok ni client ng 80%. So, suklayin po natin para madali pong i-apply ang gamot. And then, sectionin din natin para madali lang yung pag-apply. So, bali 4 section. And ang pag-apply like 2 inches po na para hindi po matouch yung yung scalp ng ating customer. The effect your hand like old having we will see this is not the trending, no?
But mother also sometimes tell you, no, yeah, that one I know, that one I have, but too hot. I need little change weather after it. One video
The one I see, you didn't put on this, but just make it light. And then, send that to me. Raman, I forget. Sorry, sorry. Home.
Have you?
One for you. Raman, one for you. I think this one is more easy to apply.
Yeah. Madam, you miss Joya sometimes fighting will come, no? Joya.
It's with me. I'm not. The one I saw in the YouTube, they just only putting by hand. I think only little naman. See?
No, it's okay. That one, customer. That one your daughter.
Now we could see the result. But it's written there also.
But even madam, you take little more. That one liquid little, no? Going down all here. No need very small here.
So, ang napansin ko po dito is madali lang po siyang i-apply kasi yan, pagka-apply ko yung buhok ni client dati nung una pa lang is hindi siya masupply. Pero nung nilagay po natin yung gamot, madali lang po siyang supplyin. Ang gamit ko po yung Telcom, maliliit pa po yung ngipin niyan, pero pagka-apply ng gamot, madali lang po siyang supplyin. So, hindi ka mahirapan. Hindi kagaya ng mga ibang treatment, like may mga protein kasi na pag nilalagay mo, natatagalan ka sa pag-apply kasi sa pag-supply pa lang hindi mo masupply yung buhok. Pero ito, kahit na brittle yung buhok, mahirap siyang supplyin. Pero pagka-apply mo ng gamot, ay malambot po siya. So, itry nyo po.
Before I go, I want highlights. That's why I stop because I like highlights. But not all, some little highlights. But showing.
From highlights. You see the highlights?
But showing, no? Because that one, since I'm village after they tell, come here, what do you do? What do you do? If somebody like that, my mama too much happy only that's why.
Let's try to make it up now.
Leveling.
To make it straight.
No need.
Apply application.
What do you apply?
Then I'll just straight this. Ito mo dry.
I like that smell. You like?
It's okay. But this one only 80% is straight. So we can adjust for the Varenino. Only like few.
But if you same my hair, maybe 100% coming.
Yeah.
No? Bearing in hair, no.
And you can say the treatment. You cannot observe. Tama? You observe the treatment or the medicine. You observe that we use little more than the protein.
No, it's more little. Protein little too much. So that one little is very good. Yeah. If I
Protein,
protein
maybe
little
I
chicken.
need like more than this.
Yeah.
This one.
Same that one. Ay, ikaw, bilis ka ba?
Tulog ka ano? So only one. Get that I can get.
It's giving me this.
Yeah, I think it's okay. 1 hour ka. Sino man? 30 minutes na natin pas na 1 hour. Para sa mga.
And even you make quickly that one, finish quickly the application. No need very small taking, no? Because medicine quickly go down.
Siguro wag mo tag to butoy kwan.
This one, Erika, only hormones problem.
I will go check up
There you go.
because I have medical insurance.
I have also.
Only pay 50 now.
For me, even 5 no fee. Madam, I go that one, no hospital? No, free. I go morning. They are not taking even 100 pills, madam.